Welcome everybody, welcome to our very first online assembly for this academic year. In this assembly, we're going to find out who has been working extra hard with merit certificates and AR certificates, and we're going to find out who's been working out on the sports field and getting some PE certificates. Now, it's very important to be active and mentally ready by doing our work, ready for when we come back onto campus. So keep up the hard work, and I know that you're going to do really well with Seesaw and Google Classroom if you're online with Year 6s. I think you are fantastic children. Well done and enjoy assembly.
And the Eagle merits go to Camelia Matwali for being a math wizard and for her enthusiasm, Amira Safadine for lovely work presentation, JCOM for an energetic start to Baobab at home from many miles away, Mohammed Patel for excellent work on Seesaw, Namangolwa Semenova for neat presentation of work, JIM for excellent work on Seesaw, Manasvini for outstanding work in science investigations, and Cody Robinson for settling in so well to Baobab. Well done, all you Eagles.
Good morning and welcome back to all our Falcons. We can tell you've been working very hard. Here are the merits for this week. Sufyan Suleiman for writing detailed sentences. Well done, Sufyan. Ahmed Al-Khatib for a lovely start to Baobab at home and completing Seesaw tasks. Well done, Ahmed. Logan Tataris for submitting good work with a high standard on Seesaw. Keep this up, Logan. Nyla Honin for consistent effort in her foundation subjects. Well done, Nyla. Ethan Wanzer for making good use of fronted adverbials. Well done, Ethan. Chisha Kapapa and Shayna Raven both for settling in so well at Baobab. Excellent effort this week, Falcon. Keep it up.
The merits for Hawk House. There are not so many this week, and I'm sure that next time you will come up with a lot more certificates. The first one goes to Dimitri for good participation in music. Vihan gets the certificate for a positive attitude towards Seesaw. And Mohammed Patel for a great start to numeracy and neat presentation. Well done to all of you. Keep it up, Hawk.
Well done, Eagle. You've got 16 house points this week. Falcon, 14, and Hawk, 6. Keep up the hard work, everyone, and congratulations, Eagle.
It's PE Star of the Week again, and this week I have two people who did exceptionally well. The first one demonstrated innovation in finding equipment to use for his box jump that I've just demonstrated, and this goes to Jeffrey Banda. Well done, Jeffrey. That was good innovation of equipment to use. The second certificate goes to Emilia Gillette for her perfect push-ups. That was brilliant, girl. Well done. See you next week for another lot of people who do well in their PE at home. Bye.
Good morning, everybody. So I have two certificates to give out this week. The first one goes to James in year 1 for excellent coordination and footwork. Well done, James. And the second one goes to Chimwemwe in year 2 for having such amazing results in her HIT circuit challenge. Well done, guys. Keep it up.
Good morning, children. I am going to read out the accelerated reader certificates for the holiday challenge, which you all did this holiday. The first certificate goes to Nonya for nearly 31,000 words. Well done. The next certificate goes to Edrich for 33,000 words read. The next certificate goes to Keisha for again 33,000 words. Abeleng is next on nearly 45,000 words. Fantastic, well done. And then we have Kiara, who read over 45,000 words as well. We have Namwangolwa, who read over 142,000 words, nearly 143,000 words. Fantastic work. We have Larine, who read 128,000 words. I am so proud of all of you. Well done. Here are the awards for AR. The first award goes to Michelle. Well done for getting your Advanced Reader Award. The next award goes to Noor for your Rising Reader Award. Well done. The next award goes for a Super Reader Award, and this is for Sahiti. Congratulations. We have an Independent Reader Award going to Hongyu. That's fantastic. Well done. And a Rising Reader Award going to Alex. Keep going. And then we have a Super Reader Award going to Abeleng. Great work. And finally, we have an Advanced Reader Award going to Namwangolwa. Fantastic work. Everyone, keep reading and well done.
Well done on all your work for assembly this week. I would love to get to know a little bit more about all of you while we're not in school. Even year sixes, you can do this. But have a look at these 5 questions on the screen and email me your answers, or write it on a piece of paper, or send a voice message or video to the school WhatsApp. I look forward to your contributions and finding out a lot more about you. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody, and take care.